I'm singing.
Yo, what's going on, guys? If you don't know me already, my name is Yona Night Wisdom. I am a diver, a Jamaican Olympic diver. I'm back in Brisbane with my boy Dom. Say hi, mate.
Boys.
These days you gotta be politically correct. You can't just assume that just boys are watching.
Hello, viewers.
Anyway, we're back in Brisbane. What is it, 2 weeks today? Less than 14 days until the Commonwealth Games. No, it's, yeah, 2 weeks today they begin. That's the opening ceremony, and the following week is when I actually compete on the first 2 days, and then the last 2 days Dom is competing, so we've still got a little bit of time to get ready. It's all coming up really quick. I mean, I've already been here for like a week and a half.
Feels like forever.
I'm not that bad, am I?
Yeah, pretty good.
But I've been really bad whilst I've been out here. I haven't been vlogging as much as I should have done. I've been having a lot of fun, but the problem is I haven't been filming the fun I've been having. I've just been doing it and enjoying it.
So selfish. Your viewers are just clinging on to the next video and you just come up short.
I'm so sorry. This is the first time I've missed a week.
Click the unsubscribe button, seriously.
Wow, please don't do that, don't listen to me.
Is there even a button that you can unsubscribe?
Well, you just click the subscribe button because it takes you off. But please don't do that. Regardless, I've been training hard in the gym, in the pool. Here in Brisbane, we've got both the indoor and outdoor pool to use. So today we're going to be training outdoor, which is, you know, great preparation for the game. The Gold Coast pool is outdoor, the same pool that I competed in at the Grand Prix in November.
Hopefully it's going to be a good day, but it's not looking too promising.
The clouds are looking very ominous. The clouds are looking very ominous. Like it's about to start raining. It's about to start raining hard. I think it's the word.
That's the word. You shouldn't use words you're not sure of.
No, I'm pretty certain it's ominous. It means
it's looking
like
pretty photosynthesis.
photosynthesis, very good.
Yeah.
No, photosynthesis isn't good because that means the sunlight is coming to hit the plants and that's how they eat. So it's not looking good because there ain't that much sunlight. Oh, it's looking pretty cloudy. Photosynthesis is unlikely at this time.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. I know what I'm saying.
Yeah, clearly. Anyway,
I'm smart.
To where we go. I'll see you in the gym.
If you caught on the race, should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I'm not afraid of die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Saying that's alright, it's like off-white, like something you rode a sled down. I just want the head, my baby got mad.
Never stops. Can't stop. Won't stop. Purchase online in the link. Is it the link below?
No.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Stacking my best all the way to the top. All the way to back, falling over. Every time that you leave the spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on over. I like the way that she treat me, go Nikki, go Lenny, I call that Casanova. She say I'm insane, yeah. I might blow my brain now. Zany at the bay, yeah. Please make it go away. I'm committed, not addicted, but it got control of me. All the pain, no, I can feel it. I swear it's from me. Watch the way I tear it down. With
Dude, what a session, eh?
Woo! That was a big one.
That was a mad session. That rain.
Yeah, rain.
Hit
like
hard.
4 seasons in one.
Literally, I swear down.
I'm singing in the rain. You're singing in the rain. What a glorious.
I did my inward and it was pissing down rain, and then it went, and then when you got to inward it started pissing down rain.
Yeah, and wind as well. I got hit by wind on my inward as well. I got hit by the wind at like the front, which like sent me backwards, and I got hit by the wind in the back, which like tipped me forwards, and I was stood there with my arms out, and I could hear AD like down on pool side just shouting, "You got it, Yona, you can do it, let's get it. This is what you're here for. This is like practice for Gold Coast, this is what it's gonna be like." I'm like, Jesus, I've got to go, like I want to step forward, but I've got to go, okay, I'm going, alright. And then I dropped my heels and then fell backwards, got in my shape, and then just dropped so quickly. I like stepped down on my hurdle on front, and this was when like it hit real hard. The water was like so distorted, it was kind of like blending in with the board. I could barely see the board, but since it was like front, it was alright. But yeah, what a crazy session. Hope you could see that. That was rainy. Next Wednesday, yeah, we're going to be training late. We're going to do like a late
6 to 8:30.
6 to 8:30?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's not that late. You're talking about 8 till 10.
Oh no, yeah, it's 6 to 8:30.
We're doing a 6 till 8:30 session, so it's when it gets really dark, and that's kind of the time that all the finals are going to be at the games. So it's kind of good practice to hopefully get a session in then. It's all about mentality though. I get this question a lot from people like, "Oh, I didn't realise the difference between indoor diving and outdoor diving is that big," but it's huge. It really is huge. And the funny thing is, diving was born outdoor.
Yeah.
All of what we do now, it all originated from outdoors. So when we actually go back outdoors, it's kind of like going back to the old school days. And that was about not only dealing with the difficulty of the sport, but also dealing with the conditions you could get, like the rain, the wind, the sun, the clouds, lightning, anything, absolutely anything. That's what Rio was like in 2016, and that's what this Commonwealth Games is going to be like as well.
There's no set grounds for who's going to be on top.
Exactly.
I mean, you're the perfect example.
It really does level.
That sounds mean, but you know what I mean.
No,
like
it's completely right.
Outdoors, anyone's game.
No,
like,
you're completely right. Like
I don't care if you're Olympic champion, like current world champion, like
exactly.
Nobody can come out and just. I think that's why we love outdoor diving.
It completely levels the playing field. It really does. Yeah. Like you can be as talented as you want, but it will throw.
It's all about.
It can throw anyone off. It'll throw me off. It'll throw you off. But it's about how you deal with it.
Who has the mental strength to withstand it and just get through.
Too right. That's what sessions like today are useful for. Throws you out of your comfort zone and forces you to deal with the conditions, deal with what's in front of you, because it's not always perfect conditions. When you're diving indoor, that's kind of really controlled. When you're going outdoors, not controlled conditions whatsoever. It's challenging and it's fun. It's going to be like our last outdoor competition really before the run into Tokyo, because obviously Tokyo's indoor.
Yeah, that'll be it.
We weren't really planning to do many more outdoor competitions after this one because there's no need to really. The playing field is going to be not on a level par. The favourites will more likely do better because the conditions are controlled and they're not going to be affected by anything out of the ordinary. That's a challenge for us now to get to that stage where we can actually perfect our dives more. Regardless, that was a tough session. I'm sore, but the week continues. It's only Wednesday, we've got 3 more days of training left to go, and then we get into the final week of training before we actually move into the village, so it's coming close, bro.
It's on the horizon.
It's getting exciting. All the banners are going up all around the city.
The
banners.
Oh, I thought you said banter. I was like, who's bantering?
as all the Gold Coast banners are going up around the city, you know, you can see a little slogan. Have you not seen them? Like, you know, on the side of like a lamppost, literally like stick out like blue and gold, and it says like Gold Coast 2018, and it also says like share the dream, like a little slogan. Have you not seen any of them whatsoever?
I drive, dude.
True.
Driving your house around.
Don't lie, you love having me here. Do you remember these machines from last time? Me and Dom had a race, he beat me, he's so hard. We're gonna do it again, but not as long. 100 meters this time, mate? 100 meters. 100 meters. 100 meters. 3, 2, 1, go! So guys, that is the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've got very exciting things coming up. Follow my journey through to the Commonwealth Games. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. Shirts are going to be on sale again April 1st, so make sure you look out for that. Keep your eyes peeled. Peace out guys, have a good one.